Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Ravi's Academy. In today's video lecture, we'll be solving a problem on parallelogram law. That is the topic of engineering mechanics, and in this particular problem, let us look at that. Here, we are supposed to calculate the component forces. The resultants are given, and there are two conditions are given. So that he is asking, find the forces, component forces is asking. So let us solve this problem, and let us write down the given data. The resultant of two forces acting at an angle 60 degrees. Let us treat that case 1. Case 1 is your the resultant is at an angle 60 degrees, and the resultant R is given. R is equals to 7 newtons, and where the theta value is 60 degrees. So this is one condition. And as you know very well, the parallelogram law forces, let us write the R value. R is equals to, let us substitute that it is under root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta is the equation. And you can write down R square, that is 7 square, that becomes 49. So 49 is equals to, it is p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 60 is 1 by 2, and this becomes 49 is equals to p square plus q square plus pq. Let this is equation 1 with the case 1. And the other case, if they are acting at an angle right angle to each other. So case 2 is let us case 2 is resultant is under root 34. It is resultant is under root 34, and the angle is 90 degrees. Now with this equation, now if you substitute cos 90, so that becomes 0. You can write down, it is R square is equals to p square plus q square, and your 2pq cos theta is 90 degrees, so that becomes 0. And here you can substitute R square is under root 34, that becomes 34 is equals to p square plus q square. This is your equation 2. And let us observe carefully. You can substitute this value p square plus q square into equation 1, so that you are going to get pq value. So 49 is equals to, so p square plus q square is 34 plus pq. You can calculate pq value. Pq is equals to, it is 49 minus 34, that is 15. You got the value of the pq. Now let us write p plus q whole square. You can expand it. It is a p square plus q square plus 2pq. And this value, p square plus q square, as you know that this value is 34. 34 plus 2 into pq value, you got it is 15 into 15. So this becomes 34 plus 30, 64. And you can write down p plus q is equals to under root 64, that becomes 8. So this equation, let us call equation number 3. Similarly, now you write down what is p minus q whole square. Let us expand this. So this becomes a p square plus q square minus 2pq. So substitute the value of p square plus q square, that is 34, minus 2pq, that is 30, and this becomes 4. And your p minus q is equals to 4. This is equation 4. Solve equation 3 and 4 for p and q values. So by addition of these two, so your plus q minus q gets cancelled, and you have p plus p, that is 2p, is equals to, it is 8 plus 4, that becomes 12, and it is P is equals to 2P is equals to, it is adding these two, it is, this is P minus Q is not 4, it is 2, adding these two it is becomes 10, and your P value is 5 newtons, and substitute P value 5 newtons into one of these two equations, let us say 3 or 4, you are going to get the Q value, it is P plus Q is 8 and P is 5, and your Q will be 8 minus 5, that is 3. So your component forces to satisfy these two cases is P is equals to 5 newtons and Q is equals to, it is 3 newtons. Thank you.